Hi everyone, today I will show you how to cook Cambodian traditional food. It is amok in coconut. It is steamed fish recipe. Okay, let's get started. We will start with lemongrass paste. First, slice small pieces of galangal. Then chop 5 kaffir lime leaves. Cut Chinese gingers into small pieces. Then 2 pieces turmeric into smaller pieces. After that, slice 2 stalks lemongrass. This is soaked dry chilies. I use 3 pieces. In my country, to make steamed fish amok, we usually use noni leaf. If in your country you cannot find noni leaf, you can use Chinese broccoli leaf instead. This Chinese broccoli leaf weighs 7 ounces. Now let's move to the fish. Cut 1 pound fish fillet into bite size. All the ingredients are prepared, so let's pound it all together. Pounding really takes time, so you can blend it instead. If you use blender, you need to add 1 cup of coconut milk. And finally blend it. Next, add 1 tablespoon chicken powder and stir to combine it well. Keep it aside and break 1 egg and whip it. Then add 1 teaspoon shrimp paste. Stir to dissolve it and add fish fillet in. Lemongrass paste. And mix it well. Before we put it to steam, we will put Chinese broccoli leaf in the coconut shell. Put fish amok on top. Now we can steam it, but before we put it in steam, we will bring a half pot of water to a boil. The water is boiling, so you can put the steamer in and steam it for 20 minutes. While we are waiting for the fish, let's prepare the topping. Thinly chop 3 kaffir lime leaves. Then chop the chili. Now steamed fish amok is cooked. Then top it with coconut cream. Put chopped kaffir lime leaves and chili. Cover the lid and steam it for another 5 more minutes. 5 minutes later, it's cooked, so you can serve it with rice. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next delicious recipes. Bye!